Want to connect Amazon Alexa to your iPhone? It's super easy, and once it's done, you can control smart devices, playing music, and much more using just your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you step by step the process to set it up. So let's jump right into it before doing anything else. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Now grab your iPhone. First, open up the App Store. Search Amazon Alexa. Install Amazon Alexa, the app. Now open the Amazon Alexa app. Sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using email or phone number. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. After signing up for Alexa, allow all the permission if it wants. Tap on the more icon below. Now tap the plus icon from the top. Then tap device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, let's take some time to explore the app. Link music streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, etc. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. Now tap your profile icon from the top right corner, scroll down, and then tap Voice ID. Tap Agree and Continue. Allow the mice if it asks. Now read the prompts loudly to set your Voice ID. Tap Done, and then your voice is settled up. Let's try out. Say Alexa plays music, and boom, music is on. That's it. Now you know how to set up Amazon Alexa with your iPhone. If this video helped, let me know in the comments. Got any questions? Just ask below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.